For what?
A video.
Holy shit, you scared the living mother
Fucker out of you?
fuckness out of me.
Oh.
Oh shit. What the hell? I see you haven't changed one bit, Christy. It looks like I go to the bathroom for that sort of stuff. Sometimes. What?
I love Emily. She's so sexy. I have no idea what the fuck that was. What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Are you video cameraing me too?
No. I'm looking at my pictures and trying to find something.
We're trying to find some porn. Oh!
Maybe, but it wouldn't be porn of you. Oh my god, I just burned you.
You hit your camera like, oh my god, I just burned you.
Shut up. Sorry, it needs to reposition. How many minutes? It really sucked if you got diarrhea one day. You thought it was a fart. Oh my god. Really? God. Sweet Jesus. No! Okay, Chrissy, that's nice. I get that you're kind of retarded, but you don't have to act like it all the time.
Emily, remember that video that we're watching with the tractor? Like, it's coming, it's coming. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Why is it so funny?
It was so funny. Just when you said, like, oh shit.
I was like, oh shit. I started screaming. Because it was coming really close to us. I mean, it looked like that on the camera, but.
I can zoom in on you.
Oh fuck. Cute.
Harley! Harley! Oh, that's my vajayjay.
Oprah's vajayjay.
Oprah's vajayjay.
Tom Cruise's vajayjay. What? Okay, everybody knows he's a pussy. Okay, look who's talking. You're the one who just... Yeah, like that. Why do you look at Holly if there's a noise Holly and me?
Let's watch the eye.
Okay, I just want to show you this video.
Wait, I'm taking a video right now.
Oh, do a close-up on my
Oh,
boob. I
woo!
mean, it's not much, but...
Got a little something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, want to see mine?
Okay, I'm
No
good.
kidding.
You don't need to,
These are my pajama bottoms. This is my shirt, and these are my... Hold on. These are my boobies. My boobies, which Nick loves. And that's my vajayjay. And that's the end of the video.